Hello everyone, I'm Leander, welcome to Open Source Geeks. Some of the fans know that I have a PS4. Also, I'm a huge gamer. The other day I was on a gaming marathon with a friend playing It Takes Two. I noticed that my right trigger don't bounce back from time to time. So I decided to fix it. At first, I was checking what's going on. To me, it seems like at the time it was the spring went old. I thought that's cheap to replace, and the headache starts there. I found a shop that sells controller parts online. But why is there so many different models of PS4 controllers? I'm pretty sure mine was the oldest one, however, I'm not 100% sure. And the sticker has faded out. I decided to open it up and check it out. It took me 30 minutes to just open it up. It has two buckles here and two on the side. I never had tools that helped me to open up machines, so I accidentally cracked 3 of them. And then I got it open, I found out it was not the spring, it's the trigger itself was broken. So I bought a new trigger, now let's put it back together. So here I got the trigger. We need to put the small spring on the long side. And put it aligned with this. Pop it in. Now our red trigger is rightfully in the place. And now what we need to do is put this in here. And then put the screws back, then we'll be ready. Good as new. I'm thinking about getting a see-through shell for this controller. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Okay, this is this episode of Open Source Geeks. If you like this video, hit like and share with your friends. If you want to know more about technology stuff, then follow us up here. So see you guys next time. Bye!